Pawpaw Sammy and Alley here. A few tips on your April garden, your little kitchen garden, out your back door, quick herbs, whatever. Anyway, the first thing you need to do is make sure you get your compost manure on your plants when you plant. Because it takes a while for this stuff to work into the ground and start feeding your plants. So basically, what you're putting on them now is later in the year feed or early next year's feed. So you need to do this every year. Now, in zones 9A, B, and 10, you can plant your squash, red beans, kidney beans, cucumbers, sage, basil, and watermelons. Also, a quick tip, put flowers to bring in pollinators. Put little habitat houses out and put water out in spots in your garden for them to drink. All right, now you can harvest your asparagus in April, your green onions, your garlic, and your parsley. Now, potatoes, corn should be in the ground now. It's not too late now, but it's getting there quick. Now, consider planting companion plants to help keep your soil healthy, as like mums, because the roots of mums pulls nemodes away from your other plants, and it helps them to grow. Now, the one thing you need to watch out for right now is slugs. I don't know about you, but in South Louisiana, slugs are terrible. So what I do is, I take a little container. It don't matter, any kind of container. Look, this is a little high, but a short one to do. And you bury it ground level. Ground level. Yep. I put beer in it. Beer has yeast and sugars. Those slugs will smell that, and they draw to the yeast. When they get there, they'll get in there and they'll drown. And believe me, it'll help alleviate your slugs, unless you want to go out there with 7 dust or whatever and throw it. Now, a quick hint about your squash. I haven't tried this. I've heard tell of it. Take baking soda, sprinkle it around your squash bush with the cayenne pepper. I do know, and I made this statement the other day, 2 years ago, the squash boars devastated my squash. I got upset, so I said, okay, payback time, comma. So I went and got my little syringe, red hot sauce, up in that hole, and you won't believe how fast those boars come out. I don't mean just 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, they're pouring out. So I got to thinking, if one to do it, if hot sauce to do it while they're in the hole, maybe cayenne pepper around the plant will keep them from going in that hole. So this year, I sprinkle cayenne pepper, and I sprinkle a little baking soda around the squash. Hopefully, I can contain them and have some good squash this year. All right, like and subscribe. Pawpaw Sammy and Alley.